Now, see, a box or a bag containing 4 red balls, 3 yellow balls, and 2 green balls or disc, whatever the may be given here, maybe in the form of disc or maybe in the form of balls. So there is no confusion. Now see, a bag containing 4 red, 3 yellow, or 2 green disc or balls. Arrange in a row all these 9 things, 4, 3, 7, 2 plus 9. All these arrange in a row. See, arrange in a row means arrange in a one line. If the disc of same color, disc of the same colors are indistinguishable. If the disc of the same colors are indistinguishable means if we have the 4 red color balls or disc, it is not possible for us to separate by seeing them because all of them are look same. So it is not possible to indistinguishable means they are identical. Number 1. First of all, 4 plus 3 plus 2. There are total disc is equals to 4 plus 3 plus 2. This is 9 disc. Now I arrange these 9 discs in a row. Then according to question, see this. These 9 discs can be arranged in a row by 9 factorial. So this 9 discs can be arranged themselves by 9 factorial. But in this one condition is given, these are indistinguishable means not possible to separate, means these 4 red are look same, these 3 yellow are look same, these 2 greens are look same. It means those who are look same, it is not possible to identify. It means there is a repetition, and in case of repetition we always go for division. This is the concept. So it should be divided by 4 factorial, it should be divided by 3 factorial, it should be divided by 2 factorial. After simplify you have to get the result. Now see, I give one more example to you. For example, a person having a name Amit, A-M-I-T. There are 4 letters, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all the letters are different. So in this case the total number of ways this 4 letter can be arranged themselves by 4 factorial, 24 ways, because all the letters are different. Now see, the next name we have write down Akash. If you see how many words are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are the 6 words. They can arrange themselves by 6 factorial. But if you see in this alphabet, this A and this A, they are same. Means if we interchange the place of these two, there is no change, no new word will be formed. If we interchange these two, there is no change in the new word. If we interchange these two, there is no change in the new word. It means due to repetition, the new words will not form. The word remains as such. Therefore, whenever there is a repetition, in that case we also apply the property of division. Division by that number which is repeated, and how many times? If you observe, A comes here 3 times, so we divide here by 3 factorial. You know very well it is 720 and it is 3 factorial 6. Then how many words are there? 120. Means if all the words are different, then it is easy to arrange. But if the word is going on repeat, in that case we go for division. We apply the same concept here. These 4 red color balls are indistinguishable, means not possible to separate. Therefore we go for division. These 3 yellow ball, these 2 green ball. It is the concept of repetition. Now